still smokier than ever. It's more smokier today than any other day. Damn, you guys can't really see it. The fog is hella foggy. Let's get in the car. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. If you're an OG subscriber, click the like button. And if you're a new person to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you guys click that subscribe down below. Man, this is crazy, man. California is not the same. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my God. So I'm coming into this In-N-Out burger line and this shit is wrapped around. Oh my gosh. So we got time to talk, y'all. So today has just been another day, man. I just want to talk to you guys on here. There's not really too much material I was going to record today. Just trying to lay low. The fires look like it got worse out here. There's more fire all around this place. I haven't seen as much smoke as it is right now. Like literally, the last video I made is worse now. It's so much fog. It looks cloudy. Like I can't even explain, and the camera doesn't do no justice. But you know, this is what we live in, and the world we live in. But with that being said, since I've really been driving my Integra since the 350Z has been down, I really just start analyzing certain things that I know I want to do with this car to make it better. I want to give a shout out to my friend. She hit me up. She has a WRX, I believe. Evo or WRX, I can't forget. It's off the top of my head. But she do have some race seats that she says she wants to get rid of. She said she had it for about 2-3 years and she's just ready for a whole new set. And the cool thing is the color of the seats are blue, which matches this. So with that being said, I told her shit, I'd be interested. She told me how much she was selling it for. The steel for $2. All I gotta do is get the brackets for the Integra. Other than that, 2 race seats, and not just one like how my Z is. It's 2. So I will be re-swapping these, taking these out, and then putting those in. The only thing is those are not reclinable that I know of. So she told me before she even take out the car, I could sit in them and actually, you know, get the good feeling of it and see if I really want to get that. So that's a big possibility. But I mean, I told her I would love to. I said probably some weeks from now. She told me she'll hold it for me. So yeah, so that's what's gonna be happening. Eventually get that in this car. Got to get the AC done. The AC part is about like $20-30 bucks. I need the part to get the car AC back, because this is a nightmare. I cannot be driving around in my daily without an AC, especially in California where it's like 100+ degrees right now. Then also I do got this manifold my friend gave me about the other week. Shout out to my homie Mike. He gave me a new manifold. Let me flip this around. He gave me a new manifold. He already cleaned it up real good. So all I just need is paint. So I'm gonna replace this and take the original one out. Take the original one out of this car, because the original one in this car is so disgusting looking. It's black, it's dirty. But this one I'm gonna actually be cleaning up. So I'm going to be rolling, most likely making this orange, or I might go with blue. But since I'm doing blue seats, I'm thinking about putting blue on this. I think it would be dope to put on this manifold for this. So it look like what I'm about to be doing is with the car is orange, but I was gonna add blue onto it to really fully the car out and to give it more of a better overall look, because right now it's just completely all orange gold type thing. So if I put blue, that would just enhance the look by more. And then plus with the blue accents, like the little seat cover, you know, like the wrist strap thing, or you know, different type of things to enhance the car. Then I was thinking about when I get some new wheels on this car, I could do like some blue brakes. So the blue will be like the contrast color, you know what I'm saying? So then eventually, if I ever do go with the OEM paint, because I was thinking about taking off the vinyl the other day. I was thinking about taking it off, but now I took one off, and then like this car is so old, plus the clear coat was peeling. I was like, I don't know if I want to do that. So I'm still trying to debate what I'm gonna do as far as the paint. what I'm saying? You don't see this color at all. So I'm thinking about just like, fuck it, just making it happen. That's the overall goal. I want to just have all good, clean paint with both of my cars, even the Z. Eventually, once the Z is running in time, I'm going to get that whole car repainted. Just have it repainted, like probably all white or something. Or yeah, what I'll probably do is just probably get it. I'll probably get it repainted all white, just to have a nice, real white paint on it, and then wrap both of these cars this particular color I have in my mind. Or I might say fuck it and just rewrap the whole thing. But I just really want to do a nice paint job. I really want to have a nice, real paint job for these cars. Just so the fact that I can have the paint under my car, so if I ever get tired of vinyl, I can go back to the OEM paint. And I really want to do the OEM paint on this car. So I think that's what we're going to be doing. Most likely 100% sure I'm going to just go back OEM paint. So I'm going to just rock with the vinyl for right now until I go OEM. And yeah, other than that, everything's cool. Ordered a part for the 350Z. So I'm waiting for these sensors. The main thing that's causing the issue with the car, we got all the other stuff. Everything is running. The car runs, and then it does its moments. To come to find out, main thing I need for that car is some OEM sensors. Long story, but other than that, man, this car is driving cool. I love this car. The more and more I drive this car, the more and more I just think of other things and ideas. I haven't really did nothing to this car. I haven't really did nothing, honestly. It's still like stock, besides the aero kits or something like that. But like, probably change out the lights. I definitely got to change out the lights because the lights are all bad, and I do need to get some cheap ones. I can get some cheap ones. I can get some nice ones. It doesn't really matter as long as it's a different new light. I could go that retro style that everybody recommend me to do, with the Teggy, with the different lights. But for me personally, I just appreciate and love the OEM lights with the 4 lights in the front. I just like that style. That's what made me love Integras, especially this 1994. This is the year I really wanted. I wanted this boxy shape Teggy, and it's just perfect for me. So I just got to enhance little things. I'm gonna eventually do that soon, but right now the car's driving cool. The only thing I need is the AC to be back on. But other than that, everything's cool. The weather out here has been crazy. As you guys can see, it's really fucking it's really cloggy out here. Like cloggy, cloudy, whatever the hell you want to break the term down. It's bad out here, man. But yeah, man, I just hope everybody that's out here in California keeping your head up, staying safe. Try not to go outside too much. I mean, unless you have to take care of business or, you know, run errands for the family or whatever it is, whatever you got to do for yourself. But just try to stay out of this air. This air is horrible. And we already got to wear a mask on top of that. So it's just really bad, man. I just pray for everybody. Hope everybody stays safe. So many natural disasters going on, but those of us that's been woke, we already knew situations like this was going to happen. Something we can do. So it is what it is, man. But I am happy to say that I do have that. Yeah, everything's going well.